The moment you wake up, and even before you sit up, your thoughts are already far away from this moment, replaying yesterday. Something someone said, something you did, something you wish went differently. And suddenly, you are no longer in this morning. You are back there. If this is happening, just know you are not alone and you don't need to fix anything right now. Hi, this is Monica, and I invite you to come back to this moment. Gently close your eyes and take a slow and deep breath in and softly breathe out. Inhale slowly and exhale gently. Now notice something. Your mind may still be replaying yesterday. That's okay. You don't need to stop it forcefully. Instead, just notice it. Like a movie playing on a screen. You are not inside the movie, but you are the one watching it. Just watch what happened yesterday, as if it's playing on a screen in front of you. Now, gently bring your attention to the feelings attached to this movie. Maybe it's tension, fear, doubt, or a quiet uneasiness. Just notice. Stay with it calmly. Now, allow your breath to become slow and gentle. And at the same time, keep watching this movie on the screen. No need to change anything, just observe. And as you continue breathing slowly, this movie from yesterday on the screen of your mind begin to fade away. Not by force, but by simply not feeding it attention. And as this movie fades away, all the feelings attached to this also begin to soften. The pressure is fading, the uneasiness is easing, the heaviness is lifting, gently dissolving into space. Now imagine this. Every memory from yesterday is like a page in a book, and that book is slowly closing on its own. You don't need to erase it. You don't need to rewrite it right now. It has already happened. And in this moment, you are safe to let it go. Now, notice your body. Your heart feels a little calmer. Your heads feel lighter, more at rest. Your hands feel soft and relaxed. Wonderful. Just stay here for a moment, breathing gently and feeling this quiet space inside you. Now bring your attention back to your breath again. Inhale slowly and exhale softly. And gently remind yourself, I am here now. I honor myself for making it through. I am allowed to begin again right now. This moment is safe. And when you feel ready, slowly bring your awareness back to this room and gently open your eyes. You can begin again, right here, right now. Namaste. See you in the next session.